All right, another news for you today. 4 Arab nations may soon team up to battle Islamic extremists in the Middle East. Egyptian officials tell the AP that Egypt is holding talks with Saudi Arabia, the United Arab Emirates, and Kuwait about a pact, and it would not be linked to the U.S.-led coalition that is taking on ISIS. Meanwhile, officials say the U.S. is considering new strikes on another militant group in Syria. The Nusra Front is connected to al-Qaeda and considered a rival to the Islamic State. And this comes as the U.S. is downplaying gains made by the group in Syria. The Nusra Front defeated U.S.-backed rebels, many of whom defected, yet officials say it is only a temporary setback. And France is now warning the U.S.-led coalition must help rebels have Syria's second-largest city from both militants and forces loyal to Syrian President Bashar al-Assad.